Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the step-by-step process of making money online using YouTube. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your current strategy, this guide is for you. We're talking big numbers, life-changing money here, guys. Imagine the craziest thing you could do with $1 million, then multiply that by 10. That's the potential we're talking about. But listen up, it's not about getting rich quick. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But don't worry, we'll break down every step, give you the tools you need, and show you exactly how to turn your passion into a money-making machine. Get ready to take some notes, because things are about to get wild. Alright, first things first, we gotta figure out what your channel is all about. What's your passion? What gets you fired up? Gaming, cooking, making people laugh, teaching dogs to skateboard. Think of it like this. Your niche is your own personal brand, your own flavor of awesome. It's what sets you apart from the millions of other creators out there. Don't just follow the trends, blaze your own trail. Choosing the right niche is crucial. It's got to be something you're passionate about, something you can talk about for hours on end without getting bored, because trust me, that passion will shine through in your videos and your viewers will feel it. Think of it like this. If you're not excited about your content, why should your viewers be? Plus, focusing on a specific niche helps you target the right audience. Let's say you're super into collecting vintage sneakers. By creating content around that, you'll attract a community of like-minded sneakerheads who share your passion. Now, I'm not saying you have to limit yourself to just one thing forever. As you grow, your channel can evolve too. But starting with a clear focus will help you build a dedicated fan base from the get-go. Remember, this is your chance to share your unique perspective with the world. Don't be afraid to get weird, get creative, and let your personality shine. This is your time to dominate YouTube. Let's make it happen. Okay, you've got your niche. Now it's time to create some epic content. And I'm not talking about some low-effort, blurry vlogs filmed on your grandma's flip phone. We're talking high-quality, engaging videos that'll have viewers hooked from the first frame to the last. Think cinematic shots, crisp editing, and sound that's so good, people will think they're right there with you. Invest in some decent equipment. You don't need to break the bank, but a good camera, microphone, and lighting setup can make a world of difference. And don't forget about editing. This is where you can really bring your videos to life with music, transitions, and effects. Learn the basics of video editing software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. There are tons of free tutorials online. Now, content isn't just about visuals, it's about storytelling. Think about the message you want to convey, the emotions you want to evoke. Whether it's a heart-pumping challenge, a side-splitting comedy skit, or an informative tutorial, make sure your videos have a clear beginning, middle, and end. Keep your viewers engaged. Use humor, suspense, or whatever it takes to keep them glued to the screen. And don't forget to encourage interaction in the comments section. Ask questions, respond to comments, and build a community around your content. Remember, consistency is key. Upload regularly so your viewers know when to expect new videos. The more high-quality content you put out there, the more chances you have to attract new viewers and grow your channel. Alright, you've got amazing content, but now you need to make sure people can actually find it. That's where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. Think of it like this. YouTube is a massive library and your videos are the books. SEO is all about putting the right labels on your books so people can easily find them on the shelves. First up, keywords. These are the words and phrases people type into the search bar when they're looking for videos like yours. Do your research and find out what keywords are popular in your niche. Next, optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Use your keywords in a natural way that makes sense. Don't just stuff them in there like you're trying to win a prize for the most keywords in a sentence. Your title should be catchy and attention-grabbing while still accurately reflecting the content of your video. The description is your chance to provide more detail about your video and include relevant links. And don't forget about tags. These are like little signposts that help YouTube understand what your video is about. Another important aspect of SEO is creating eye-catching thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see when they're scrolling through search results, so make it count. Use bright colors, bold text, and intriguing images that accurately represent your video. Finally, promote your videos on other social media platforms. Share them on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, wherever your target audience hangs out. By optimizing your videos for search, you'll increase their visibility and attract a wider audience. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, so keep experimenting and refining your strategy over time. Listen up, because this is crucial. Building a community around your channel is essential for long-term success. It's not enough to just upload videos and hope for the best. You need to engage with your viewers, build relationships, and create a sense of belonging. Think of it like this: your viewers are your tribe, your biggest fans, your cheerleaders. They're the ones who are going to like, comment, share, and watch your videos over and over again. So how do you build a strong community? It's simple: be present. Respond to comments, answer questions, and show your viewers that you're listening. Run contests and giveaways. This is a great way to show your appreciation for your viewers and keep them engaged. Collaborate with other creators in your niche. This is a great way to cross-promote your channels and reach a wider audience. Create a sense of community by fostering discussions in your comments section. Ask questions, encourage viewers to share their thoughts, and create a space where people feel comfortable interacting with each other. Remember, building a community takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. A loyal and engaged audience will help you grow your channel, increase your revenue, and create a lasting impact. All right, you've put in the work, you've built a loyal following. Now it's time to turn that passion into profit. There are a few different ways to monetize your YouTube channel. First up, AdSense. This is the most common way to make money on YouTube. Basically, YouTube displays ads on your videos, and you get a cut of the revenue. To enable AdSense, you'll need to join the YouTube Partner Program, which requires you to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. Once you're approved, you can start earning money from your videos. But AdSense isn't the only game in town. You can also make money through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own merchandise. Sponsorships involve partnering with brands to promote their products or services in your videos. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on any sales you generate. And selling your own merch is a great way to monetize your brand and give your fans something tangible to support you. Now, here's the thing about monetization. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and a lot of hard work to build a successful YouTube channel that generates significant revenue. But if you're passionate about your content, consistent with your uploads, and engage with your audience, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is to create high-quality content that provides value to your viewers. If you focus on creating content that people love, the money will follow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video. Seriously, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any future money-making strategies. Now go out there, crush it on YouTube, and make me proud.